Okay, welcome to our next unit, which is going to be all about the worms. If you would please make sure that your digital notebook is pulled up, because this video is going to go through slides 2 through 5. This section, this unit has 3 phyla. We have the flatworms, which are the phylum Platyhelminthes, the roundworms, which are the phylum Nematoda, and the segmented worms, which are the phylum Annelida. We're going to start with the first standard, which is learning to model the body plans of animals. So these worm groups are the first ones to really have an organized body plan. And so from this point on, all the animals will be one of these 3 body plan types. Once you're done looking at the table of contents on slide 2 of your digital notebook, where this is the first learning target, go ahead and look at slide 3. Slide 3, you're going to pause and fill that out. It's about previous knowledge of the worms. Okay, so we're going to go to slide 4 now. And slide 4 is going to introduce the 3 body plan types. If you look at the top, it says all bilaterally symmetrical animals. Go ahead and finish that bullet. They develop from 3 embryonic cell layers. There is an ectoderm, which is the outer layer, an endoderm, which is the middle layer. I'm sorry, the endoderm is the inside layer, and then the mesoderm is the middle layer. As a result of these 3 layers, there's 3 body types that come out: acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, and coelomate. The root word coelo, C-O-E-L-O, refers to cavity. So you're talking about a body cavity. So the coelomates are going to have a true body cavity. Pseudo means false, so that they're going to have a false body cavity. And A means without, so they're not going to have a body cavity. And the 3 worms show 3 body types. At the middle of this slide 4, there is a link to click. You're going to click on that link and then scroll down, and you're going to drag the body plan name to the proper picture on your slide. And then at the bottom, it says what kinds of animals are these. You're going to fill those in as well. So pause here in the video and finish slide 4. We're on to slide 5 here. So slide 5, the acoelomates at the top. Hopefully you've labeled the left picture on slide 4 and talked about the flatworms. Acoelomates, they have the 3 layers, but no body cavity. So they have a digestive tract that extends throughout the body, but there's not a cavity in which that tract sits. They may have been the first group of animals to evolve, but we are still trying to resolve that. The pseudocoelomates develop from the 3 layers as well. So you can see here the ectoderm, mesoderm, and the green endoderm. But between the mesoderm and the endoderm, there is this false cavity, the pseudocoelom. Okay, so hopefully you labeled the right picture on slide 4 as the pseudocoelomate, and you said the roundworms, the nematodes. Coelomates, body cavities form from a coelom. So in between the layers, you've got this coelom, this true body cavity that forms, and it fills with fluid, completely surrounded by the mesoderm, and then you have specialized organs that evolve. This is the greatest diversity among the animal groups. This type of body plan is including the segmented worms, the annelids, but also many of the upper body class or upper animal classes. And all right, so that's the end of this section. We're going to do a learning target about body plans, and so pick me up in part 2.